Following your prep and base application, apply 2 layers of Evo's Roxanne, curing for 30 seconds between each layer. Don't wipe the nail just yet, as the foil will need to stick to the tacky layer. Next, press the gold Sahara foil from Essence onto the nail. If your foil is having a bit of trouble sticking, apply a thin layer of soft gel to the nail. Cure this for 30 seconds, but don't wipe, as this will create a sticky layer for the foil to adhere to. Then press the foil onto the nail using light pressure around the outer edges so that it creates a nice frame. Finish with Evo Gloss top coat. For our next design, apply 2 layers of Evo's Daniela, curing for 30 seconds between each layer. Again, don't wipe the nail at this stage. Use slightly more pressure as you press larger pieces of Harmony foil onto one corner of the nail. Next, apply Amethyst onto another corner, followed by Cyan, and then more Amethyst on the diagonal corner to where you first applied it. Fill in any remaining gaps in the centre of the nail with smaller pieces of foil to create an abstract graffiti style design. Finish with either Evo Gloss top coat or Evo Suede for a matte finish. This time we're going to start with 2 layers of Evo's Anastasia, curing for 30 seconds for each layer. Using Essence Blush foil, start by applying slightly larger pieces of foil, then use less pressure as you move down the nail to create an ombre effect, leaving some negative space at the end of the nail. Next, gently apply a small amount of soft gel to the nail in the areas you will be placing your glitter. Pick up some Molten Magic Flakes by Essence and place them onto the soft gel, applying a good amount to the base using a small number 4 or nail art brush. Ombre these flakes down the nail using smaller flakes as you go. Gently apply a layer of soft gel to encapsulate the design. Cure and finish with Evo Gloss top coat. Next we'll begin by applying 2 layers of Evo's Celeste, curing for 30 seconds between each layer. Just like our first design, create a frame around the nail using Essence Enchanted. Then add a few smaller pieces of Essence Magenta to the frame using minimal pressure. Gently apply a layer of soft gel over the foil, and cure but do not wipe to create a tacky layer. Using your brush, pick up your choice of Essence glitter or flakes and apply sparingly to your frame. Next, apply a small amount to the centre of the nail. Apply a layer of soft gel and use your brush to break apart any larger pieces of glitter in the centre into smaller, finer pieces. Cure this for 30 seconds and finish with either Evo Gloss or Evo Suede. For our final design, we're going to be starting with 2 layers of Evo's Whitney, curing for 30 seconds between each layer. Next, apply a layer of soft gel, but do not cure at this stage. For our watercolours, we're going to be using Diana, Rhiannon, Mariana and Muriel for a really bold, colourful design. Pick up a small amount of colour on your brush and blend it into the wet soft gel, creating your watercolour effect. Repeat this with each colour, slightly blending each into the other. Once this is cured for 30 seconds, apply another thin layer of soft gel and cure. Cut small amounts of Essence confetti foil and press this onto the nail in a frame design. Then add a few very small pieces using light pressure to the centre of the nail. Finish with Evo Gloss top coat. Thank you very much for watching, and if you'd like to see more Nailspiration designs, make sure to subscribe to Renew Beauty and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content.